I'm Mina.
I'm Karen, and we're two chicks and a hammer.
And we're here today to help you figure out how to put together an exterior mood board so you can make the right roof decision for you.
The key pieces for your exterior. Your roof is 40% of your exterior. The next big thing that's on your exterior is your siding. And then the third thing is your accent pieces. Your door, your window trim, shutters if you have them. And sometimes you don't have one kind of siding, you might have two different kinds of siding, so you may have an opportunity to add another significant accent color. But those are your big pieces.
One of our first steps is kind of designing a mood board or a style board, and we're gonna kind of go through the steps here and show you how you can make your own.
You can find inspiration anywhere. So what I would suggest to you is you go through your home and pick some of your favorite objects, and then figure out what is it about that object that speaks to me. So we're gonna start with this Owens Corning Summer Harvest roof. And what we love about this roof is, I don't know if you can tell, all of these colors are in here. I would challenge you to find a color in a paint fan that isn't in here. So we can use this roof to coordinate with either of our styles.
So what we're gonna do next is, we've got our inspiration pieces, we've got our roof picked out. Mom is gonna stay on that side with a slightly more tame palette.
Yeah.
And
Nina's
I'm gonna go a little
crazy.
funkier.
What's amazing to me is, as I look at this roof, what do you see on your side?
I mean, my half obviously looks much more warm, a little bit more dramatic.
Yeah.
And yours is,
It's cooler and bluer over here.
lighter.
Because the siding and all of the elements we've chosen inform the roof color.
So you need to make sure you look at your selection kind of holistically with everything you have going on, because what you put with the roof, because there's so many colors in it, is definitely going to change how it looks on your particular home.
Absolutely. Something we haven't talked about yet and is important to consider is your neighborhood. You need to look around outside.
And consider a couple things. Do you want to blend in or stand out? And also, do you have any rules you have to follow? One thing they don't dictate though is the accent items you can put on your porch. So you can still get very personal and fun and colorful with the porch light or your front door mat or the pillows you put on a chair.
So you can blend in or stand out. If you have rules to follow, you can still have some fun. If you feel like you still need some more help, Owens Corning has some tools. You can go to their website or you can go to their brochures, and they have palettes already constructed that can be a jumping off point for you.
You can find one that you like and say, this is really great, except I want to go even bolder with my accent color, or I actually want to tone it down a bit. But they'll at least give you some ideas with the different shingle options, the directions you can go in if you really just can't figure out where to start.
So you're putting on a new roof, and we've tried to have some fun today showing you a way that you can create a style board that expresses your personality
in your new Owens Corning roof. So you want to take what you've done inside your home and take it and make it match on the outside. So every time you pull up, you're super happy and you feel like this is me and I can own it and really be proud of your home.